A very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please kindly show your beautiful and handsome faces.
Good morning, sir.
You don't switch on the video. Don't switch on the video. But show me your handsome and beautiful faces. If you can show me without switching on the video, you can show. Okay. Anish, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I think you are sleeping too much. Oh,
No.
you are not sleeping too much. I think so.
I am sleeping, sir.
You are behind Copa, isn't it? Yes, yes. Okay. You are behind Copa. Shibu, how are you, man?
Fine, sir.
Fine. Okay, okay. Very good. Krishna Gandhi, what happened? You didn't get the breakfast?
Yes, sir.
I thought keeping support for the chin and you are sad. Roseanne, are you all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Basuri? Sandra, are you happy?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Abhilash, are you all right?
Yes, sir.
The executive man. Sanam, how are you?
Hi, sir. Happy.
In Manuti, rain is there?
Sir.
Pranav?
Yes, sir.
All right. Sayuja, what happened? At least have a smile on your face. Have a smile. Rahul, how is Station Grove? It is all right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Kevin, are you in Bangalore or in Angamali?
Angamali, sir.
Angamali. Pavitra, are you all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Abarna, I am coming to Putambelikira. Please switch on your video. Abarna, I am coming to Karotera. I am coming there, near Karotera. Naveen.
Yes, sir.
Tourists are coming there in Charai?
Don't know, sir.
No, you don't know. You are not going out. Very good, very good, very good model to others. He is not going out. I heard that you are going for morning walk near the seashore.
No, sir.
No. Nestle, where are you? Nestle. Okay. Sanjana, are you all right? Sanjana is all right. All right. So if Sanjana is okay, the whole class is okay. I think so, isn't it? Yes, okay. So let us begin. See, in the last class, we were with our Albert. Page number, I think it is in 30, page number 30, which is the last line we have completed.
That's saying too much, sir, said Albert.
Yes. Okay. So after a few days gap. So in the last class we have seen, Albert Einstein went to his maths teacher for the certificate. And to the maths teacher, Einstein told, "Sir, salam. Goodbye. I am leaving the institution." So teacher told, what is this? In my life, Kevin, in my whole lifetime, you are the only one boy who was attending my classes very well, to Albert Einstein, the maths teacher told. And if you are going, it is a great loss that cannot be recovered. So this answer, such an answer, each and every teacher should speak about you. When you leave the institution, each and every teacher should say about you, you are very important for me in my classes. Will it be there? Such a comment from me after 2 years? Will you receive such a certificate from me, Nestle? Nestle, I will call you Nestle, isn't it? That is a common word. Okay. Will you get such a certificate from me after 2 years?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us see. Okay. Let us see. Okay, let us see then. Anyway, that is the best certificate a student can get from the teacher. You are missing. I feel missing of you. The math teacher told Albert Einstein the same. But after that, Albert Einstein made a prophecy. He foretold, he predicted, once in the future, we will have to learn from you. We are going to learn from Albert. Hum honge kamyab. Have you heard about that song? Hum honge kamyab. Isn't it? Like, I am not a singer, but the song is like that. We shall overcome one day. Isn't it? We shall overcome one day. Do you know the meaning of that song? It was the dream of the great American leader Martin Luther King. It was a dream. He dreamt and he said in a public meeting, he announced, my dear black Americans, we shall overcome one day. That becomes an international, global song. We are also singing that. The same thing the math teacher announced, foretold, predicted that there will be a day when people, we the teachers even, will learn from you. That is what we are doing now, isn't it? That is why people are learning even now. Ever since, students are learning Einstein's theory, isn't it? Teachers are also learning that the prediction came to truth one day. Clear now? Martin Luther King's dream, that song became a reality when Barack Obama became the president of America. From that day onwards, the Americans sing, we have overcome this day. You see? Clear now? They rewrote the song. We have overcome this day. Martin Luther King sang, we shall overcome one day. Today, Americans sing, we have overcome this day. Nestle told she will get a good certificate from me. So, in 2023, Nestle will sing a song. What is the song? I have overcome this day, Josie sir. Isn't it? In 2023, Nestle will be writing the song. I have overcome this day, Josie sir. So I will do salam to you. Okay. Okay, let us see. Okay, now, so this was the prediction of the math teacher towards Albert Einstein. Hearing that Albert Einstein was a poor boy, a poor man, an ordinary boy, less than an ordinary boy like me. I am a poor man. I am very poor at studies. I was poor at studies. That is why I think you should not be poor in studies. That is why I want to make you the best. Clear now? I have taken the desires and aspirations of the parents. Parents, what do they say to you? Sandra, I didn't get such a chance to study in an international school. My daughter, you may go and study. What they didn't get, they are providing you. Am I right? I didn't get. I haven't seen an English medium school during my school days. I haven't seen. So, you should be excellent in your studies. So, you see, Albert Einstein says, sir, what do you say? It is too much, sir. You can appreciate me. Very good. Okay, well, good, do well. But this is too much, sir. I am going to teach you. Sir, don't say like this. That is the meaning. It is too much, sir. But all right, I will put it more seriously. I will take your words seriously. I will try my level best. It was still a glowing reference. Till now, that reference, that prediction, that foretelling, that prophecy is glowing, glittering, glazing in the minds of lakhs and lakhs and crores. And Mr. Koch made the point that Albert was ready immediately to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics. He strengthened the mind of Albert. You can join. I'm sorry you are leaving us, although you are wasting your time in my class. You see, you are, Anish, you are a very naughty boy. I know you have wasted the whole year, but still I feel missing you. To Albert Einstein it was told, you are making all the nuisances in the class. You are not studying. You are a disturbance. Still, there are some naughty children at home. Your siblings, but parents love them very much. You are naughty, but you are very smart. This is the comment given to Albert Einstein. It is you wouldn't have asked me for this reference otherwise. You see, this is the thing. You see, the reading. Math teacher says that, I am confident that you will go to Milan, you will go to Italy, and you will join an institute, you will join a college at the earliest, I am sure, because you have a great desire to study, learn. Otherwise, you would not come to me and ask a certificate. If you want to leave studies, you won't try for a certificate. Really, you want to leave this school, but you want to study. That is why you have come to me to get the certificate. I thought you would wonder. There is nothing wonder about, Einstein. I knew you were going to leave before you knew yourself. Underline, very great sentence. You see what kind of sentence it is written there. I knew before you know yourself that you are going to leave the school. Sanam, the teacher says to him, when Sanam joined the school last year, I saw him. Year before last year, isn't it? Year before last year. When you were in class 9, isn't it? Near the corner of that veranda. Okay. When I met him, near the staff room veranda, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
When I met him, on that day, I decided this man will come to my +1 block. He will not go anywhere else. Before he thinks about his +1, I had already decided that he is going to come here. The mathematics teacher says that, Einstein, when I saw you in my class on the first day, on that day itself, I knew that you will not study here because your brain is little more bigger, larger. This school cannot accommodate you. You want little larger thinking. Clear now? Because your brain is IQ is higher than the students of this school. The mathematics teacher says, so you will not be happy here. You will go in search of a place where people accommodate higher IQ. That is the thing he says. I knew you were going to leave this school. Write that. Leave this school, then meaning will be complete. Before you decide yourself. Second new, you change into decide. Before you decide yourself. Krishna Gandhi decided to go to Dubai for studies, +1 studies. But 5 years ago, I have decided that this Krishna Gandhi will be studying with me in +1. Isn't it, Krishna Gandhi? 5 years before I had decided, she will be studying here with me in +1. Mathematics teacher decided that this boy will not study here complete. He will go out. Before the decision of Einstein itself. That is a meaning. That is the meaning. Albert was puzzled. Albert was in trouble. What did the teacher mean? Why the teacher told me like this about me? You should think like that. He soon found out, realized. Found out here means realize, Vinay, realized. Before he had a chance to ask for an interview with the head teacher, he was summoned to the head's room. So now after getting this was the advice of Yuri. First you go and get the certificate from the math teacher. Then you go to meet the principal. So now he was on the way to principal's room to get an appointment to meet him. Before that, peon had come from there and told, principal is asking you to meet. He called him. Well, it saves me the trouble of having to wait an hour or two outside. He says, Albert says, it is good. If I go and get an appointment, principal will say, wait there 1 hour. I will call you. After that, he will say, principal is going for a tea or lunch. Wait there, wait there. So till evening, I would have to wait there. Now, principal is calling me, so I can save my time. When I save the time, Shibu, what we will do? If you save the time, what we will do? I will watch Copa, isn't it? Highlights. Albert Einstein says, if I save the time, it will help me to learn something. So, I want to say, time is saved. He hardly bothered to wonder why he had been sent for. Albert Einstein was in trouble. Why did the principal call me? Today I did not make any problem. Why did he call me? But vaguely means not clearly. Suppose he thought he was to be punished again, underline. He was to be punished again for a bad work or laziness. Laziness. Well, he had finished with the punishments. Anyway, by today, all his punishments will be over. I am not going to. Then when he entered the room, the principal told, head teacher, principal told, I am not going to punish you. The head teacher said to Albert's surprise, your work is terrible. I want you to leave the school now. I am not going to punish you, Albert. I am fed up. That's a common word. I am fed up with you. I am tired of you. So I have taken a decision, Sandra. I have taken a decision to send you out. Not you, Albert. Send you out. Dismissal. Not suspension, dismissal. See, leave the school now, sir. What did you say? You are going to dismiss me. Don't you understand what I said? That is what I told. Don't you know English? I told that I am going to send you out. Don't you understand? Then why are you asking me again? You see, that is what I said. You mean that I am dismissed? Expelled means I am dismissed. Amal Roshan, are you all right?
Sir,
Had your breakfast?
sir,
What did you take in the morning? He has taken 1 glass of milk with boost, 1 egg, and 2 chapati, isn't it? Okay. So, otherwise you take it. So, that means you dismiss me. You can take it that way if you wish. If you think that you are sent out, you take it as it is. If you think that you are dismissed, you take it in that sense. You think that you are given the TC, you understand like that. Whatever way you can take it. But the meaning is you are out of the school. From tomorrow onwards, don't come to the classroom. The head teacher was not mincing the words. Sanjana, what is the meaning? Mincing? Mincing words. The words were no words. Mincing means fine, polite. The teacher was not mincing the words. He was not polite in his words. Teacher did not have any mercy towards him. Get out! Without a mincing word. The simplest thing will be for you go to your own accord, and then the question won't arise. Principal told, the better thing I will tell you, you are given a TC. TC is cut. You are dismissed. It is better you say, sir, I am going. I am not dismissed. I took TC. It is better to say that you are going by your own accord because of your own desire. It is good. But, said Albert, sir, what mistake I have committed to send me out of the school? What crime? Anish, what crime? Albert is asking, why are you sending? The man was trying to go out of the school, Rosan. He made all arrangements and the teacher sent him out. Now he is asking, sir, why are you sending me out? What is the mistake did I copy down during the time of online examination? You see, next paragraph is very important. It is about you people. You check whether it is about you or not. I don't say it is about you. Each one should check about yourself. Your presence in the classroom makes it impossible for the teacher to teach. You are a good boy, but your presence in the classroom is an irritation to the teacher. Are you an irritation to the teacher? You did not speak anything. When I see your face, I got irritated. Nasham, the cursed one. Your presence doesn't promote the teacher to teach. There are some people like that in our class also. From the beginning onwards, the video is not on. When I come here to see the twinkling stars of my class, some black holes are there. Black holes are dangerous. Once you enter the black hole, finish, you will not come back. Have you studied? In space, there is black holes. It's a large one. A solar unit may go inside. So when I see these black, not now. When I see the black holes, the presence of that black hole itself is an irritation. So I tell, let the black hole go out. I dismiss them. I remove them today onwards. Because head teacher told Einstein, your presence itself is a nuisance in the class. The teacher is unable to take the class. Number one, that is one reason, underline. Number one, this is the first reason that he was dismissed from the school. Second one, you are, because your presence, other people, it is a disturbance for other pupils to learn. You are a nuisance for others. Clear now? Because of your presence, other students were unable to study. Alan Shibu, if anybody is a nuisance in front of you for your studies, tell me, okay? I will take immediate action. Okay. Okay. So, I know he will not study, isn't it? So, he will not have any problem. So, I can very clearly say, if you tell me, I will take action, because I know before he knows, I knew that he will not study. Alan Shibu? If he wants to open his book, I have to make a call to Dubai. And from the satellite from Dubai, call will come to his house. Then only, what is called a remote, isn't it? Remote, satellite remote. From here, one remote that goes there in Dubai, and that opens, that satellite gives a reply here, then automatically the robot opens the robot opens the book. Today is Shibu's day, isn't it? Okay. So, your presence itself is a nuisance for other students to learn. 2 reasons. Another thing, number 3, you refuse to learn. You refuse to learn. Number 3, you think how many times last year your parents told you to study. What you said? Online. No exams, no public exam. Then why are you, mommy, saying study? What is the meaning of study, Aparna? Isn't it? Okay. So you see here, you refuse to study. Number 3. And you are in constant rebellion. You are in constant rebellion. If the teacher says one thing, you will speak 4 things. Anisha, isn't it? When the teacher speaks one thing, you will speak 4 things. I'm not about Anish. I just called him. Next praise even. He is the next to pray. Okay. So, you are a constant rebellion. Always you are retorting to the advice. Josie sir told, cut your hair properly. Sir, what is the problem if it is like that? What is the problem? Last year, year before last year, one boy came to the school for a class, special class, with a sports shoe, glittering jeans, a red t-shirt, neckless t-shirt, collarless t-shirt, and Shayok Akhtar. There is a man, cricketer, isn't it? Shoaib Akhtar, isn't it? Pakistani cricketer. Shoaib Akhtar, tall fellow. When he runs, his hair will be making jumps. Like the long hair he came. So I called him from the class. I asked him, man, why this kind of dress? So he told me, sir, this is a branded t-shirt. What is the problem with me? This is a branded t-shirt. Then I asked, what kind of jeans it is, man? Sir, this is very costly one. What about your shoes? Sir, 5,000 rupees. But then he asked me, sir, what is the problem? I told, this is the problem because you are standing inside the school. If you are going for a marriage, it is not a problem. But in the school, you have to wear t-shirt with collar. You have to use normal sandal. You cannot wear jeans. Abhilash, we cannot wear jeans. He asked me, what is the problem? I told, problem is that you cannot sit here, go out. That's all. That's all. You cannot sit. Sanjana Joshi sir is like that, isn't it? The problem is that you cannot sit here. Only one choice. You have to go out. Go. Change your dress and come back. Here the principal says to him, you are in constant rebellion, number 4. Number 5, no serious work can be done while you are there in the class. Oh, headache. Headache. If you are in the class, the teacher cannot do any work. You are a nuisance. These are the 5 reasons against Albert Einstein. Put a curly bracket. Complaints against Albert Einstein. 5 complaints against Albert Einstein. Put a curly bracket. Anisha, curly bracket means double bracket. On right side put and right there. Simply sitting to see the Copa. Euro is over. Okay. Now, Albert felt the medical certificate, underline, Albert felt the medical certificate almost burning a hole in his pocket, underline. He had his medical certificate in his pocket. Before submitting the medical certificate that he is a nervous breakdown, do you remember? The certificate writes that he is a nervous breakdown. So he needs 6 months leave. He is going for 6 months leave. What happened? Here the principal sent him out. So his blood is burning. Blood is boiling. It gets hot. And with the heat of the blood, he feels that my paper is burning. Paper is burning. He feels medical certificate almost burning a hole in his pocket. I was going to leave anyway, he said. My dear principal, no problem. I have already decided to leave. Why are you worried about me? Don't worry, I am leaving. Then we are in agreement actually. Okay. That means what you desire and what I decided was same. So we are in agreement. You are leaving. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So then we are in agreement at least, Einstein. The head said. For a moment, Albert was tempted to tell the man means the head principal, what he thought of him and of his school. As a last comment, Albert wanted to express a comment about the principal and the school. Sir, I have stayed here these many days and I have a comment. You are such dash. The school is like dash. He was planning to speak. But no, this time no. Let us leave it. But he didn't speak. You see, you have to be Einstein at that age now. Then only you will understand the main beauty, isn't it? Sanjana? I wanted to, Josie sir is always calling me and sir, if I am there, I will. But no, I don't want to speak now. I will speak to you, sir, after 2 years. Now Sanjana is saying, I will speak to you, sir, in the year 2023, April, I will talk to you. He says, he wanted to speak some comments about the school and the principal, but he became silent. Albert was tempted to tell the man what he thought of him and of the school. Then he stopped himself. He did not speak. Without another word, holding his head high, he stacked out. Underline. Without speaking a word. Holding his head high with great pride, he stacked out. Stacked out means he went out. So when he went, principal said, shut the door after you. While you go, please close the door. Okay? Albert ignored him. Shut the door. He went out. In his mind, he said, shut the door. Oh, he went out. He walked straight on out of the school where he had spent 5 miserable years. Krishna Gandhi, 5 miserable years, isn't it? 5 joyful years. It was a jail for Albert. So he went out without, underline, without turning his head to give it a last look. Alam Varghese, I think all the internet is cut there in Chhattisgarh. Alan, what happened? Oh, hearing my sound, whatever internet was there, that is also gone. Okay. So, without turning his head to give a last look, he did not turn back, he went out. He could not think of anyone he wanted to say goodbye. He did not think, oh, before going, I should go and say bye to all, isn't it? Goodbye to all the friends. But he didn't have a single friend in the school. Indeed, Yuri was almost the only person in Munich. Underline, Yuri was the only friend he had in Munich. He felt like seeing before he left the town he had come to hate almost as much as the school. So in the town, he liked and loved only one person, that was Yuri. He hated the school and the town, and there were nobody to say a goodbye. Elsa was the other person, but Elsa was in Berlin. She was not in Munich. And he had no other friends. So underline, Elsa, underline, he had no other real friends. So he had only 2 friends. One is Yuri, the other one cousin Elsa. Goodbye and good luck, said Yuri when he left. You are going to a wonderful country, Yuri said. You are going to Milan, Italy, a wonderful country, I think. I hope you will be happier there. And Yuri said, be happy there, don't come back. Because you are dismissed. Now you cannot enter the school. So wherever you go, be happy there. Papa, Mummy told you people, I have taken admission and I sent you a Milan. Milan. I sent to Italy. You are in Italy now. Because I called you Einsteins, my young Einsteins, isn't it? You are expelled from your previous school and you are sent to Milan. This is your Milan. This is your Italy. And Yuri says to you, say, Yuri says to you, my dear Einstein, make it a success there in Milan. Make it a success there in Milan. This is your Milan. And Yuri tells you. And Einstein has decided to make it a success. Let me ask, my dear Einsteins, did you make it a point to make it a success? Did you make it a point to make it a success? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this class is only an introduction. The Veddikattu is going to start. Isn't it? This is only a sample, isn't it? So Puram Veddikattu is going to start. So we will begin our journey of +2 studies from today onwards. Okay? Okay, my dear Einsteins? The lesson is over. Tomorrow we will study hornbill. Hornbill. If anybody didn't get hornbill, they can collect it from school. It is already there. Okay. Tomorrow we will begin the first lesson, hornbill. Okay, thank you.